How to open Tiff file. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily open Tiff file in your mobile phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser on your phone and then search for Tiff to JPG converter. Then go to this first website. Then here tap on select images. Then go to your phone's file. And then from here select the Tiff file. So I have this Tiff file, so I'm gonna tap on it to open. And then here tap on convert to JPG. Now wait for a few seconds, and after it is converted tap on download converted images. And here tap on download and wait for a few seconds. Then once it's download tap on open, and now you can see that here are the JPG file. So if I tap on it, the Tiff file is open in my phone. And so this is how you can open Tiff file in your mobile phone. Thanks for watching.